hope you're all doing well. Welcome to my channel. It's your sister Samira Beauty and DIY. Today I'm gonna be sharing with you with this beautiful glamour look, and welcome. Nice to see you, nice to meet you. If it's your first time you're tuning in, please, you're welcome. You're more than welcome. And share, inshallah, this video with your friends, neighbors, friends, everybody, so they can, so you can grow me up. And don't forget to subscribe as well and hit the like. So today I'm gonna be doing this beautiful look, and hopefully, I'm sure you're gonna love it. It doesn't take time, it doesn't take too long, it's quick and it's beautiful as well. And yeah, welcome. Stay tuned, keep on watching. So I begin it with the left eye. I'm gonna be doing the right eye now. I've started with one already. This is complete, done. And we're gonna do the right eye, full smoky with the glitter, gold glitter. So stay tuned, keep on watching. I'm sure you're gonna like it. So, and I'm gonna begin with the Kiko eyebrow filler. That's what I'm gonna use for my eyebrows. So I'm beginning to fill in my brow. I'm just gonna grab a small mirror and fill it in slowly. I don't want to make a lot of mess, so you just have to be patient enough when you're doing your eyebrow. The eyebrows, they're always, it's the important thing for the face, so it's where it's gonna make you look really good when the eyebrow gets done. Yeah, so I'm just gonna brush it in. Just gonna go and brush it in quickly. Brush. Yeah, I think it looks nice, perfect. I'm going to add a little bit of eyebrow base. I'm using this one. I'm going to take a flat brush and add it slowly by under the brow, just like so. Before I do my eyeshadows, now I'm just applying some eyeshadow base on my eye. I'm gonna blend it in. To blend it in more, I need this concealer brush, which is a smaller one. So I'm going to tap it in just to dry it off a little bit. I'm going to take setting powder and dry the concealer down a bit. For my lid, I'm gonna be using Kiko eyebrow gel filler for my. So I'm gonna take just my finger like that, and I'm going to tap it on my lid, just like that. Slowly, I'm gonna tap it more in until it blends. It's really filled my lid. As you can see, I just need that perfect look. I don't want to go too high. And after finishing with the eyebrow gel filling in on my lid, I'm gonna go with eyeshadow, the darker one. I'm gonna use of that color just to make it dry. I'm gonna take a brush and take the darker color, the black one, really dark, and going to apply top of, just like this. As you can see right now, it's getting more darker than before. Before was like a bit of like dark grayish, but now it's getting darker because of the eyeshadow, the black one I'm using. So I'm just gonna fill it in slowly so I can make it a bit dry and look more darker as I want it. It's out a little bit because I'm gonna try and clear out later, so that's not a big deal. Before I add my glitters, I'm going to add one of that color, and I'm going to add the bit of yellowish. I'm going to add top of where the black line is. It looks like this now, and then I'm going to add the other color. So the other one. I'm going to add my favorite glitter. So it's such a cute, it's a gold. I'm going to take my flat brush and take some of the glitter and tap on my lid. Wow, pretty. No eyeliner, I'm gonna use the same thing what I've just used on my lid, and eyebrow gel filler. I'm gonna use my low liner. So I'm gonna take that brush, the same one, and I'm going to make it like an eyeliner. Applying it, I'm gonna take this sharp brush and try and blend it in slowly. My lower liner, I'm gonna go back and do the same thing with the dark eyeshadow. I'm just gonna take a little bit like that and apply on my lower liner. Just applying the eyeshadow to make it dry, because the eyebrow gel is wet, so just trying to settle it down. After finishing doing my lower lashes, I'm gonna take water eyeliner. I'm gonna eyeline my inside eyeliner. Just finished my eyeliner. I'm going to take a gold color just to highlight the edges of the eyes. I think that should be enough, so I'm going to take a face wipe or anything cleanser. I'm just gonna clean my edges, make it a bit sharp. Before I clean down here, I'm just going to apply my lashes now. So
I'm going to take my finger and try and clean it down here. I want it to look sharp. Just like that.
Just cleaned off everything, the mess down was here, because when you're doing smoky, it's quite a bit messy. So I'm ready for my foundation now and complete the rest of the face. Keep on watching, stay tuned. Before I do my foundation, I'm just gonna apply my lashes, low lashes, just brushing it a little bit to make it stand out. Just done. Now I'm going to apply my foundationers and ready to complete the face. Stay tuned, keep on watching. I'm going to primer my face with YSL. YSL is a very good primer. I really love this primer a lot. Just going to use a brush to apply my primer. This primer smells really, really good, and it makes the face really smooth. Worth it. I really love it. I'm going to apply this, one of my favorite and foundation now. So I'm going to apply some on my brush and take it down like this. Yeah, perfect. This foundation is a little bit darker than my skin color, but I'm happy with it. It's okay. It's gonna fit properly in. I'm just gonna go everywhere to apply this foundation now. I can't wait. I'm going to concealer under my eye. I'm going to blend it in. Concealer is done, so I'm going to set a powder with the MAC, with the clear powder. I'm just gonna take my sponge and tap it around under the area I mostly need it. I'm waiting for the setting powder to settle. I'm going to do my I'm just gonna take a sharp brush and go around like this. Okay, just gonna go and blend it with my finger slowly like that, and then I will take a brush and clean it out. So now I'm going to take off the setting powder really well, because in the clear setting powder is if you're taking flash with the cameras and you're somewhere like a party or wedding, if you don't blend it out properly, it shows like too bright. So I want to definitely blend it properly out, because I don't want to look like too crazy. Make sure you clear out all, because as I just told you now, yeah, just finished blending it out. So now I'm going to use a bronzer. I don't want to do like too much contour on that. I'm just going to use a bronzer on. Just bronzing it, and it looks perfect. I'm just gonna go into highlight, and we're nearly there. Before highlighting, I'm going to add some of this, a little bit color of my top of my blushes, just a little bit. Yeah, perfect. I'm going to use the gold color, the highlight. Yes. Just done my highlighters, and I'm a bit confused. Shall I put the red one or the lighter brown? So I'm gonna apply the red one first and see how it goes, because my eyeshadow is black and gold, so I think it goes nice with the red. So let's try and see the red how it goes. Otherwise I will change it to the brown. Let's see it together. Stay tuned, keep on watching. I think it looks really nice with the red one. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment down below if this look goes with the red lipstick or with the brown. I'm gonna try the brown one as well. Let's stay tuned. I'm going to see the second lipstick how it looks like. I took off the red one. I think it looks great with this color, and yeah, I'm going to leave it with this look. So happy with this look, and I'm happy with the lipstick. I'm gonna link it down below, the name of it, and it's just so cute, so beautiful. So I think finally we finished completely, and yeah, I hope you guys love it. Let me know in the comment down below if you guys like it, so I can do more videos of different look of makeup. And yeah, hopefully I will see you in another video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share for more videos, and see you another time. Bye, take care. Mwah.